Hey beauties, welcome to my channel. My name is Christina. On this channel I talk about different stuff. I talk about health and beauty tips. I talk about makeup videos. I talk about hair tutorials. I also talk about how-to videos, including how to make money online. But in today's video I want to talk about this look I have right here, how I achieved it from this to this. So the color that I was actually going for was ash gray, but when this one came, I said, you know what, I'll take it because this is my first time doing it and I was happy with the color. So if you want to know how I did it, please continue watching. I will come back. So the products that I'm going to be using, I have the usual bleach. I also have the Wella Cream Developer Volume 40. I have the Cantu Leave-In Conditioner. I have the Coconut Curling Cream, Cantu as well. I haven't decided which toner I want to use, but I have this one right here and also this one. I have my Vaseline, I have the mixing bowl, I have the mixer, and I have the gloves. So I'm just gonna go ahead and start. Put on my gloves, take my Vaseline. I lost a lot of hairline, so I try by all means to protect my hairline. Mix my bleach and my developer. I'm gonna have 2 scoops. Okay, so I'm gonna mix the developer with the bleach. Get some more because I want it runny. I don't want it like so this is the look, this is the color that I got, guys. I'm happy with it. I'm just gonna go ahead and put a toner and see which color I'm aiming for. Ash gray. I'm going to mix. I've decided to mix this one and this one. I'm going to put 2 parts to 1 and 2. It's dripping. You know what, I'm just gonna use my hands because it's gonna take like forever, so I'm just gonna use my hands so that I'm wait. So I'm back, guys. This is the color that I got. As you can see, I'm happy with the color. Just gonna go ahead and style it and see how it's gonna go. I have here the leave-in conditioner. That's what I'm gonna start with. I'm gonna put a good amount of leave-in conditioner. So what I want to do is I'm gonna style it. I don't know how I'm gonna do this, but I'm just gonna try anyways. Just gonna go ahead and try to style it and see if I can. So the mousse that I'm gonna be using is called Big Sexy Hair. I don't think I like this mousse. Let me change the mousse and put it right back. Well, I'm going to use this one. It's Cream of Nature. So I'm going to use rabbit styling strips. So I'm just gonna go ahead with my clippers. Cantu coconut curling cream and see how it's gonna come out. You can put as much as you want. I think I'm happy with the color and the cut. I know it's not perfect, but I really like it because I just don't feel comfortable to go to the barber, honestly. So that's why I'm doing this and I'm happy. So that's it, guys. I'm gonna style it and I'm gonna do my makeup and I hope you like it.